This is going to be about finding a missing dog.
Oh, okay.
Marley's been missing for an hour. Now, wherever you are listening to this in the world, you need to know what 1 hour means in March.
Of Ontario, Canada.
Yes, it was like about -20. It was extremely windy.
And that is a mild day here.
So I'm sitting in the chair by the fireplace, and she said to me, "What do you get? Where is he?" Which is totally fair because she's heard me do search and rescue before. This is totally normal. She's not being abusive. She is in full-blown panic, but she also knows what I do. So she's like, where's his energy? What have you picked up? And I'm like,
This is also a woman, professional and friend,
Yes.
who has worked alongside you.
yes,
And as her own professional, takes your inner knowings, your intuition as a psychic medium
yes,
in order to do her job better.
yes.
Okay? And trusts you. So when Karen says go left, she goes left.
Oh, yeah.
When Karen says stop and go right, she stops and goes right.
Yeah.
So like there's no questioning your connection.
Yes. That's very true.
She called the right person.
Yeah. So she says, "Where?" Like this. And I said, "I haven't got his energy." And she goes, "Okay, when you do, call me back. Bye."
Oh.
And I'm trying to just go into the gifts, but I'm also thinking like this. And then I hear clear as a bell in my head, "This is your dear friend. What are you doing? She's lost her dog. Get your ass over to her house. Your friend has lost her dog. You need to be there."
You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.